Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Chevy Cruze LTZ with the RS package, stock number Z8609B. 83,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Silver ice metallic in color. Cruze is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon and a city average of 38 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Cruze, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.